CAC don't talk say all the POS operators will no register, they won't carry gbege go meet them. CAC now be the Corporate Affairs Commission where they in charge of business registration and to also make your business them corporate and known nationwide and worldwide. They don't talk say point of sales whether they call POS. Some of them don't give them a deadline since July or so, will expire on September 5th. They say now they won't carry out legal action for those who no hearken according to the K to that order where they give. So say they will begin, they get them, they go place by place or even map out laws to take catch those where no agree register their POS, because so many people are mainly unregistered POS point of sales. They take and do bad things. Now so they talk say they go do it. On self where they operate POS, they cannot try register.
We then told this some time ago. They said CAC. Something like this.
If they go CAC,
make you know CAC.
They told this thing before about registration of a POS. I don't know how it is, but you know, my own opinion. But I don't know they have to collect their own commission, because they don't tell me now say this is don't they come out charges. I don't call it. Come out charges. You understand? These are things they do. They implement it for a while to bring people's attention to gather people. You know how many POS operators are all over Nigeria right now?
Yes.
All over Nigeria. Do you know how much they tend to, and if they are charging 5 naira, let's just say 5 naira at most, at least, of 2 naira. 5 naira because they can't even charge naira to 2 naira because nothing, no they valuable again.
Yes.
I think maybe 20 naira. Because me now, my bank, they charge me every week 300 naira, 350 for electronic. I'm coming, sir. For electronic levy, kinikon. Every week, 350 naira.
Maintenance.
No,
Card maintenance. That one.
No, not for car maintenance.
Card.
Then they can to
card
now 150. They
won't do.
They will charge me for electronic because I make transfer. And they'll see if I make transfer,
they will see come out their charges.
So
you don't even understand.
I don't understand. Now,
do you know,
want to still go back to this POS people will say, is there anybody they want to stop even from the poor.
It's always
not to terminate this period business.
And this POS has been us.
Yes, it's an emergency.
Yeah, because banks when they go
cash.
You go to
no cash.
But can I come in? I think even the POS follow the worsen the scarcity of money in bank. You go bank, all the POS people they go put money for it and they don't rush go pack them. You go inside back, they even get connect, they take the push.
This
country we know how things are. I can tell you that those that are in bank, I say this with no fear of that. They got connection with some of them.
Yesterday I almost 41. No, on Wednesday, this week I almost 41. Fuel attendants.
Okay.
Now this is it.
Yeah.
I came to buy fuel. You are telling me that you will not accept transfer. You know there's no
POS.
That I should go
and
to a POS close to them.
Yeah.
That this is who they sell cash to.
Yes.
They sell cash to them. So if they sell to them, I should go to them and go and withdraw. They come and buy. You will still sell back to them.
Now business.
I rake. I say it's after the government is but this is one of the POS. I'm saying transfer and society. Say as you say when I say you know happen for 1 3 of us. Now they talk this one happen that day should be the that day you know I shall you know transfer. Now those people that is bringing cash to them, they will. In fact, some of them they carry the POS people sit down there. They do. Nigeria is scattered. Sometimes they be the leader. But this bank, some of them are the workers, their POS connect, back all the money from bank, give all of them.
On Friday, one was complaining. The woman said,
I don't see, sorry to cut, I don't see where security agent in one of the banks in Ikeja here. They call a POS person, say they don't load ATM, quickly rush, come withdraw.
You know, say, if until you open your eye for this.
So things are going up.
Money
going on. It's too much.
People where they lead us, then they eat money. See, then they eat money.
That's why do you think they fight and they kill themselves?
Because number one, you go look and come on. I say how much is 15 naira.
15 naira.
15 naira is 1 billion.
I go first. 350 naira in 1 million is how much?
That's a 250 million.
250 million.
Every week,
more than 1 million people using that bank.
Now, if you do transfer to your bank, okay. Now, if you use your own, see the way they collect our money, where you don't know. If you do POS, you go to POS now. You want to use your ATM card. As you withdraw for bank don't collect their own. POS don't collect their own. Bank will still charge you.
Yeah.
POS will still charge you. All those 50 I go, they look at like say less. Baba.
So you know, you spend money, you go see come.
You do transfer, bank will come out money. Why?
Sorry, sir. Before, when I was growing up, they say if you save money in the bank, people save money in the bank because of interest.
Yes.
Now, if you save 10,000, you go.
The more you pay, the more you reduce.
What will you touch?
I don't know why you can't stay.
You go save 10,000, you check your bank account. Now,
you will get 15 naira credited to you, balance 49 naira. What's happening?
They don't want to look into this matter.